So to view all your assessments in one spot, you can go to the assessment list, which is this. It can be done in two ways, right from here, the top assessment list, or by going to the assessments kind of menu and go to assessment list here. So in the assessment list, I like to sort it usually by tapping the top here. I choose subject reverse order. It's really reverse date order. So it breaks up into each subject and does the date in reverse. So the newest assessments are at the top of each group. But again, you still see these other sorts. I can sort by term, by date, by grade if you're teaching multiple grades, category, and so on. So category is a type of assessments. To add a new assessment, I can use this button right from here, which brings up that probably familiar menu. So I can add assessments that way. I can search through or find assessments by pressing this. And anything that has a little magnifying glass in it, I can type information in there. So I could say I want to find all the grade 4 ones and search. And then it asks if I want to sort them, and I just say sure, and it just brings this menu up, and I'm going to say yeah, I want to sort by that. So I found all the grade 4, which there's only grade 4 in this, but I could find all the English. English comes up, and start search, and I'm not going to bother sorting this. So you can see that brings up just the English one. I want to see all my assessments again. I just show all at the top. There's a little menu over here where I can delete assessments. So you see when I press this, it says permanent delete all the current assessments. So I could find all the assessments in English, like I just had a minute ago, that one, and delete. And when it says delete all current assessments, it would delete just that one English one. Whatever I found, whatever I'm looking at on the screen. I can compare assessments by tapping compare. And it basically just says select the assessments to compare by tapping the corresponding checkbox. Press the blue compare button at the top of the screen when you're done. So press OK. You'll see these boxes here, and I could compare multiplication to geometry. Probably wouldn't, but it could be looking at something over time. So it could be maybe a first assessment you did on multiplication, let's say, and then an assessment you did later, and you just want to compare the results. And then you press compare at the top, and it'll bring them up together. You'll see Anita Bath and has multiplication in her marks, and geometry. If I had some marks in here, it would show that as well. And you could compare the two assessments. If I want to look at one of those assessments, I just tap the little arrow beside it, and it goes in, and it might give me more detail, especially if it was a rubric or something. It would show more information. So I'm just going to go back, all the way back, and go to assessment list. So from here, anything else? Custom sort. You can do a custom sort as well, which allows you to sort them in the order that you want. Custom sort, basically, just press OK here. It allows you to put numbers in here on the side, and those numbers will be sorted in order. So if I want geometry first, I'm just going to put 1, and then 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, and submit, and it just sorts in that order.